Si Yana, there's just a certain aspect kay Yana na naaantig yung puso ko. I think she's a really amazing singer. And number one para sa akin kasi kahit kaninong performance, ang hinahanap ko ay puso. And tagos. Every time she sings from the heart. She doesn't make me feel like it's pinaghihirapan niya, pero it's just ang daming katotohanan pag kumakanta siya. So it makes me feel good. Kumalma siya ng konti because before she was, I thought, a little too confident and she became too playful. Pero at the end of the day, siguro na-realize niya na it takes a lot of hard work and patience para makarating sa pangarap. Yung nagmarka sa akin sa performance nito, it might not have been the most popular song at alam ng lahat. Pero pinaalam niya, pinaramdam niya sa amin lahat yung performance niya. And yun yung tumatak sa akin.